Okay, we're going to make a clustered bar graph out of the starter, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. So first of all, just highlight it all. If you go up to insert here, you click on this bar chart. Highlight. We want the ones that go sideways, and this second one and this is a stacked one, and you can see the example of it below there. And that's it there. And if you want to get that into order, all you have to do is just go that plus that plus that equals, so that gives you the total of all three, and then you highlight those totals going down, and then I'm going to click on the grey and highlight all of this, and I'm going to go to data, sort, and I know I'm going fast here. I'm going to uncheck that box, but you can slow down the video and do it slowly. Click on column E and go OK, and that changes my chart to something that is more useful in size and arrangement. Okay, that I believe is that.